Hi there, I'm Alex Cunningham, and I'll walk you through this Notion tutorial step by step. Let's jump right in.
Today, I'm going to show you something super cool that will instantly upgrade your Notion workspace, adding custom colors to text. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to make your notes, headers, and to-dos pop with any color you like. Not just Notion's built-in options. This is a simple trick, but it can make your workspace much more personalized and visually engaging. Ready to make your Notion stand out? Let's dive in. Alright, so here's the secret. We're going to use a clever equation feature in Notion to sneak in our custom colors. Start by typing this little snippet, \, the word color in curly braces, and then your chosen hex color code. For example, a color 3B80 followed immediately by the word you want to change. Think of the hex code like a paint color for your text. 3BE88 is a shade of teal, but you can swap this out for any 6-digit hex code you love. So, in your Notion page, type color/3BI8 important if you want the word important to appear in that custom teal shade. Why use hex codes? Well, hex codes allow pixel-perfect customization. Instead of settling for Notion's limited palette, you can match your brand colors, favorite hues, or organize categories visually. If you're not sure what hex code to use, just Google Hex Color Picker. You'll find lots of tools that let you experiment and copy the code that catches your eye. Now, you might be wondering, okay, what's next? Once you've typed your custom color code and the word you want colored, you need to turn this text into an equation for Notion to display it correctly. Here's how. Highlight the whole snippet you just typed, from the / to the end of your word. Take your time with this part. Make sure you've got the entire thing highlighted because if anything's missing, it won't work. Then, from the floating toolbar that appears, click the little equation button. This tells Notion to read your code like a mathematical formula, but instead of math, you're letting it process the color change. That's basically it. Once you hit done or click outside the equation box, you'll see your word appear in the exact shade you specified. It's kind of like telling Notion to put on a new outfit for your text, and it follows your instructions exactly. And don't worry if it doesn't look right at first. Double-check that you've included all the correct symbols and that your hex code has the 6 digits, no spaces. Sometimes it takes a few tries, but once you get the hang of it, you'll be color-coding your entire workspace in no time. Let's try one together. I'll type in color/3B9E88 custom color. I'll highlight this, mark it as an equation, and hit done. Instantly, custom color pops up with that beautiful blue-green shade. You could use this for headings, special notes, or just to add some personality wherever you need a splash of color. That's all there is to it. Playing around with these custom colors can really transform your Notion pages, whether you want to keep things super organized, express some creativity, or just make reading a bit more fun. If you have any questions about hex codes, equations, or other Notion tricks, drop them in the comments below. I'd love to help out. And if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to give the video a like and subscribe to stay up to date on all my tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and happy customizing.